Okade kumphathi wohlelo isizwe ukuthola laphana kuMoja Love uthembisa ulukhulu ngeshow yakhe ezayo. Sawubona kuphi nakuphi la kufunye khona lo mbukiso njengamanje okubingelelayo yena Mathinto wacebisa intombi zomqamela emehlaka abanye baqamela imali thubazi. Ngana wethu ngabe usuku lakho lokuqala la ngicela uthonze kulungela upress subscribe button share phinde comment kunna konke uma subscribe ayikumela khamba usosonze ukuthi kube wena oqala uthola notification mase kufaka la evidam phambili. Okade ke kumphathi wohlelo isizwe ukuthola belidila nabantu abadayisa izidakamizwa ke etaladini nabantu ekuyibona abasupplya izidakamizwa ukhulume wathi
we have to take care of each other. So manje ngibuye ngevosho. There's a new show ezwakala.
Oh, new show.
There's a new show.
Nice. That's
There's
good.
a new show ezwakala.
That's good news.
Yabona. So angeke ngikhulume kakhulu ngayo abantu bazobona.
Same line yespan man.
Same line yespan.
Nice.
Shoot manje sizokuthola times 10.
Sure.
Because of now lento benganayo before senginayo no. You know, I'm able to spread my wings. I'm able to engage with government to say asisipane. So they are willing to work with me and I'm very happy because it was difficult then, you know. Mauza is media. They'll tell you I'm a protocols. No man, Kulman communications, you know, we can assist you because you are media. You understand? But now I come in as a foundation to say I'm here to assist you guys. Let's work together. I don't want your money. I don't want anything. I just want us to work together so that we can make our place a better place. That one. Because of there's a thing in on uthi South Africa will realize the drug-free South Africa. And Mbopa close to 68 drug dealers a month. So for me that's a big success. And I'm assisting. Ngihamba nabokhata, ngihamba namapanya-panya, ngihamba ne-JMPD, EMPD, so I work nama-security companies, nama-forums.
Sure.
So I make sure that all the guys who are involved in the safety space, I work with them because of we have the same mindset and we are driving towards the same thing. That one. So, Sangay.
No, Yankutaza. Nami since COVID-19, I had not been doing a lot of my SLEF work, SLEF Foundation yet.
Yes.
uqinisekisa ngane wethu bathi abanye kwi-disclaimer lo mbukiso bhanyabhanya uyi-channel yakhe ke The Hustlers khona bese kucaphunela ke ingosi ekuyona ebalekela noma ke esibona ukuthi uzoyidinga kodwa ke angeke ukwazi ukubuka e-podcast yonke. Uma uzokwazi ukubuka i-podcast yonke uzoyithola ku The Hustlers khona laphana ke kwi-channel yakhe ke uDJ Sbu noma ke ngithi okuyona ke i-host uDJ Sbu. Ngana wethu ngibambe kwi-video la ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, share phinde comment khona konke uma subscribe ayikumale khamba so senze kube wena oqala uthola notification mase kufakela i-video hamba phambili. Mbambe kwi-video la danko.